Bring your own device, BYOD, with an iPhone. Instructions for users on how to install MobiVisor MDM on private devices that are also used for work. Information. BYOD stands for Bring Your Own Device and refers to the practice of allowing employees to use their personal devices, such as laptops, smartphones and tablets for work purposes instead of exclusively using devices provided by the company. Learn how to set up iPhones as BYOD devices with an MDM in our tutorial. To start the installation, go to the App Store and search for MobiVisor. Install the app on your device and open it. After installing the app successfully, log into the MobiVisor app. You can do this either with the username and password or with the QR code field on the top right. Both username and password and QR code for login will be provided to you by your admin. After logging in, you must now install the device registration profile. This is used to connect the device to MobiVisor MDM. The device registration certificate is provided via your company's MobiVisor domain. Select Continue. Allow the configuration profile to be downloaded. After that is done, go to the phone's settings. The MobiVisor MDM profile is displayed under Profile Downloaded at the top of the settings. Now tap on Install. Trust remote support so that your admin can troubleshoot remotely in the event of a device problem. Now exit the settings and open the MobiVisor app. The device is now linked to the MDM. If the registration is successful, you will see the corresponding notification. You are now done. Thank you for watching. Still have questions or do you need help? No problem, our team will be happy to help you. Give us a call on 0341 9916 0142 or write an email to mds@iotic.de.